Before anything else, I just want to tell you guys I'm not sponsored anyway with Sony or any of these cameras, and the thing is, I'm just doing this real life feedback or review or whatever. And it's not fully. I'm not sponsored anyway. I'm not really a very good YouTuber, so take it with a grain of salt. G'day guys, I just updated my A1 because the new update has been dropped, and I gotta warn you guys, when you're updating, you just have to make sure that you're sure, because yeah, you might have problems, you might not be liking it and whatever. Yeah, as for me, I have my FX3 before and I updated it and it crashed, so I know how it is. And yeah, what Sony's been doing is they've been updating the interface of the camera. So for the A1 right now, when you try to update it, it tries to update everything, so you have to make 2 updates. The first update took too long. I was a little bit worried because again, my experiences with the FX3, and then you have to update it again for the firmware 2.0. I'm looking at it, looks good. Interface is fine, I'm used to it because I have the A7C II and the new cameras. It has the option also wherein there's 2 things that comes out inside, which I don't use. I'm trying to set it up now, so just gonna warn you, if you're gonna update it, it's gonna reset everything. You need to put in the settings again, and yeah, if you don't like that, just that you know. One thing that I didn't like about the new update was I was in a hurry to update. I have 2 A1s, and you know, the function, this one here, the function thingy-majiggy, yeah, my accent's like, so the functions, I used to have the frame rates here, because yeah, I also do like 4K 120 for a studio that I'm working with. I work with different studios, so sometimes I try to change the frame rates. I change the settings, like I change if it's 4K XAVCS or XAVCI. So before I'm able to put it on the function menus below, but right now you can put it in. So that's the only thing I've noticed that I didn't like. Most of the updates I like, has breathing compensation and everything else. Everything that you needed for the A1 is here. So yeah, just that you know, I'll be testing this in the next few days. But it's good to know that Sony's updated it, and I love it, and hope you love it too. Just that some other things are missing here, and it's not capable to. But anyway, that's it. See you in a few days when I try to update it more.